Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, the place where innovation meets wheels. If you're into futuristic rides, compact campers, and next-gen mobility, hit that subscribe button and join the ride. Today, we've got something that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie, the *2025 transparent steel white camper tricycle. Yes, you heard that right. A camper. On a tricycle. And not just any camper, this one is made with transparent steel and packed with clever features designed for city explorers and minimalist adventurers. So, what exactly is transparent steel? It's an advanced material that's stronger than regular steel but see-through like tinted glass. It offers full privacy from the outside thanks to a special coating, but from the inside, it feels like you're living in an open-air capsule. Lightweight, weather-resistant, and bulletproof, this material brings both safety and style to the table. The design is sleek and futuristic. At first glance, it's a three-wheeled electric trike with a glass-like pod on the back. But get closer, and you'll find a full-function camper setup cleverly folded into this compact shell. The white gloss finish gives it a clean, modern look that reflects sunlight and keeps the cabin cool, even on hot summer days. Powered by a dual electric motor setup, the Trike can hit a top speed of 45 miles per hour, perfect for urban travel and scenic backroads. The battery offers up to 150 miles on a single charge, and yes, it comes with solar panels built right into the roof for some extra juice when you're off-grid. Inside, it's surprisingly spacious. There's a convertible bed, foldable table, smart storage, and even a tiny kitchenette with an induction stove and mini sink. The lighting system is all LED, and the climate is controlled with an ultra-efficient fan system, making it livable in both warm and cool temperatures. But here's what really sets it apart, the tech. The 2025 model is fully integrated with smart controls. Using a tablet interface or even your smartphone, you can control everything from lighting and ventilation to GPS tracking and battery levels. The camper even has AI voice assistants built in, so you can ask it to find a campsite or play your road trip playlist while you ride. One more cool thing. The rear shell opens up like a butterfly wing, expanding the space and letting you enjoy open-air camping. It's perfect for solo adventurers, digital nomads, or couples who want to travel light and stay mobile. So who's this for? If you love the freedom of the road but hate towing a big RV, or if you want a fully electric lifestyle vehicle that stands out and packs everything you need, this tricycle camper might just be your dream ride. And that's a wrap on today's look at the 2025 transparent steel white camper tricycle. Let us know in the comments, would you take this futuristic trike on your next adventure? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Auto Buzz TV, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss the coolest rides hitting the road. Until next time, keep rolling smart and stay buzzed.